Hello, it's Godsa again with another video. Today's video is very important if you are an upcoming producer. Okay, so today just relax, understand everything. Okay, the main topic is EQ. Okay, I'm going to take you deep into EQ, understanding the terms, high pass, low pass, mid, whatever. Okay, then how to EQ every vocals that you get is very simple. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like if it helps you, then also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I will drop. Don't forget to leave a comment too in the description down below. Without wasting my time, let's get straight into EQ business. Okay, we are in Cubase now. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using one of my artist track, Star Life Noble Genius. Okay, I've looped only the chorus. Let's listen. With only compressor, without EQ.
Star life, me live my life like a star boy. Noble Genius is a star boy. I live my life like a star boy. Yeah. Star life, me live my life like a star boy. Noble Genius is the star boy. Me live my life like a star boy.
Okay. So now everything that we've heard is without EQ. So this is how the vocals sound. Okay, we normally use EQ to clean up the vocals, okay, to sweep inside the vocals and also to brighten up the vocals. Okay, it's very simple. What I normally do is I always compress my vocals first before I'll EQ. Okay, depends on you. Then, oh my god, I'm going to use the far filter EQ so that you understand everything. I'm going to start with the terms that you normally hear. So I will advise you, when you are EQing a vocal, just solo the vocals. Okay, that's what I do. I solo the vocals to get what I want before I will add the beat or the instrument. Okay, so now we are starting with the terms.
Star life, me live my life like a star boy.
Okay, when you watch here,
Noble Genius is a star boy. I live my life like a star boy.
Okay?
Yeah.
The frequency.
Star life.
I like using the far filters because you see everything. Okay, so we are starting with what we normally hear, high pass. Okay, why do we say high pass? Okay, so this is the shape of the high pass. Okay, when you see this, okay, it's high pass, the high pass shape. Okay, why do we say here a high pass? Let's, as I'm moving this thing from left to right, let's listen.
Me live my life like a star boy. Noble Genius is the star boy. Me live my life.
Okay.
Me live my life like a star boy. Noble Genius.
Okay, so I don't know whether you are hearing. You see that there is more highs here, like titas. Yeah, so when we do this, meaning these highs should take part in the track. From here to here, they should take part in the track. So now we are eliminating all this part, meaning we have deleted all this portion. We don't want this portion to take part in our track. That's why we say high pass. Now there's a band, we are using only this part, okay, of the vocals. That's what we want. So this shape, meaning we want from here to here. That's why we are giving high pass, meaning this highs to participate. Okay, we don't want the lows here. Okay,
Genius is a star boy. I live my life. Yeah.
So now you can hear only the highs. That's why we say high pass. This highs should take part in the track. Okay, so this is high pass. Okay, now another term that you hear is what? Low pass. Opposite of high pass is what? Low pass. So why do we say low pass? As I'm moving this from right to left, let's listen.
Me live my life like a star boy.
Now you can't hear anything. Okay, so if I bring it to this part, you see that you are hearing like low. It's like a bass sound. Okay, that's why we say low pass. We are giving chance to the lows to take part in the track. Okay, so that's why we say low pass. These lows should take part in the track. So now we don't want all this part, which is our highs. We don't want it. That's why we say low pass. Okay, we want these lows to take part. So that's why we say low pass. Okay, I don't know whether I'm making sense. Okay, now we are hearing only the lows, the bass ones. Okay, that's why we say low pass. We are giving them, they have to take part in the track. We want them. Okay, so now from here to here, we have deleted them. It's like we have eliminated them. They are now not participating. Okay, that's low pass. Okay, from right to left is low pass, from left to right
life like a star.
is high pass. Okay, so let me delete this. So another term that you hear is the maze, high maze, low maze. Okay, I'm going to explain everything to you as we do high pass here. Okay, assuming we clean up the vocals, and this is what we got for our high pass, meaning from here to here. This is what we want.
Star boy.
Okay, when we draw any band, okay, from here to here, that is our high maze. Okay, high mid. Okay, let me solo it. Okay, this is the high mid. Okay, because from here is our highs. Okay, from highs. Okay, so anything that we draw here becomes our high mid frequency, our high mid frequency. Okay,
Life like a star boy. Star life. Me live my life like a star boy. Nobody knows it's a star boy.
Okay, so this will be our high mid frequency. Assuming we do this. Okay, draw another one. All these are our high mid frequency. Okay, because when we bring this to this part, this will be our highs. Okay, and over here we will get our lows. Okay, so when we draw something here, okay, when we draw something here, will be our hot low mid frequency, because over here that we get our lows. So this will be our low mid frequencies. Okay, oh, what's this? Okay, so from here to here we are getting our highs, from here to here we are getting our lows. So these bands here will be our low mid frequency. Okay, our low mids. Okay, so now as we've gotten the terms, now let's move on to EQing of these vocals. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and bring the EQ again. Very simple. So now, as I said, we EQ the vocals to brighten up. Okay, So let's listen to the vocals.
Boy, I live my life like a star boy.
Normally we start with what? High pass. Okay, so like this. Okay, I normally bring it to a certain part, then I'll start bringing it from right to left. Okay,
Star life, me live my life like a star boy. No be genius, it's the star boy.
yeah, you bring it to the part where you hear that the vocals is sounding what? Natural. Okay, natural. Then we start cleaning up. Okay, so this is our high pass that I've gotten now.
Me live my life like a star boy. Star life, me live my life like a star boy. Nobody knows it's a star boy. I live my life like a star boy. Yeah. Star life, me live my life.
Okay, so now this is my high pass. Okay, so from here, whatever that we will do is what? Sweeping. Okay, we clean the vocals inside, the frequencies that we don't want. Okay, so I will just draw a band like this. Okay, then I'll start looking for where I don't want. Okay, where it is sounding robotic or boxy, whatever.
Life like a star boy. No be genius, it's the star boy. Me live my life like a star boy.
And mostly between the 400 and the 500 hertz, there's always a boxy, like ooh, let me do one. So but it varies. Sometimes it can be around the 100. Okay, so let's listen.
Star life,
So if I solo it, that's
me live my life like a star boy. Nobody knows it's a star boy. I live my life like a star.
I don't know whether you can hear it's like he's talking in a box. Woo. So I don't want that. I'll give it a high Q. When you do this shape, it's a high Q. Then you cut it. Okay, let me solo it so that you hear what we've cut. Okay, it's like he's talking in a box, boxy. Woo. So we don't want that. So we cut that one. Okay, so we sweep. Okay, so that's the right term. Sweep. We cut it.
Me live my boy.
When you are cutting, is very simple. You cut it. So now those sound that we are hearing are no longer being in the vocals again. You have eliminated that that sound. Okay, so you draw another band, then you sweep. As I'm doing it, I'm still sweeping.
Boy. No be genius, it's the star boy. Me live my life like a star boy. Star life, me live my life like
Okay,
a star boy.
I don't want this part to, it's annoying. Okay, so I'll just cut it a little bit, but we don't cut too much. Okay, sometimes the vocals have to be natural. Okay,
Boy. Nobody knows it's a star boy. I live my life like a star boy. Yeah. Star life, me live my life like a star boy. Nobody genius, it's the star boy. Me live my life like.
I don't know whether you can hear. If you are having a good speaker, like a good headset or a studio monitor, you hear.
Yeah. Star life, me
Okay, I don't want this, so
my life like a star boy.
I'm going to cut
Star
it.
life, me.
Okay, then we just brighten up a little bit of the highs. Okay, in vocals, I won't advise you to cut some of the highs, like do low pass. Okay, I won't advise you. You just give it, what's the name of this shape? Yeah, high shelf. Okay, so like this a little bit. Okay, so this is EQ. We have EQ the vocals. Okay, so the term that you hear is bypass the EQ. When you say bypass the EQ, meaning we are going to off the EQ. Okay, anytime you hear bypass, it's like you see me and you have bypassed me. Okay, meaning you saw me, but you didn't talk to me or you didn't greet me. Yeah, so you have bypassed the EQ. The EQ is there and we off it. So that's the term that you hear, bypass. Okay, so if I off it, it's bypass.
Me live my life like a star boy. Nobody knows it's a
Now
star
I've
boy.
bypassed the
I live
EQ.
my life like a star boy. Yeah,
So
yeah,
now with the
yeah.
EQ,
Star life. Me live my life like a star boy.
bypass.
Nobody knows it's the star boy. Me live my life like a star boy.
Okay, so you hear there's a little difference, okay, with and without the EQ.
Star life. Me
With
live
the
my life
EQ,
like a star
without.
boy. Nobody knows it's a star boy. I live my life like a star boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is all about EQ. Okay, so let me add the beat to it.
Star life, me live my life like a star boy.
With the
Nobody
EQ,
knows it's the star boy.
without the
Me
EQ.
live my life like a star boy. Star life, me live my life like a star boy. Nobody knows it's a star boy. I live my life like a star boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Star life, me live my life like a star boy. Nobody knows it's the star boy.
So now you can see that we've created a room for the beat and the vocals as well. So that's why we EQ vocals, we EQ anything. Okay, so this is the same thing for every EQ that you hear. When you get a melody, a chord, whatever, is the same thing. High pass, low pass, you sweep inside. Okay, so if you found this video to be helpful, just give it a like. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I'll upload. It's Godside on the beat. See you in the next video. Still I'll be the solution career. Stay blessed.
Boy, me live my life like a star.